Alright guys, here we are back on Baozuzao Food Blast. There's your progressives. I just moved a couple machines over. 10-cent denomination. $10 bet. We pop the double up. Let's see what we get. Come on. I want the ultra spins with it. Come on. Always 6 more. Okay. It's something. See some big numbers here. That's not, there you go, that's better. Nope. 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 Alright. Oh no, come on, drop something. Last spin on the bottom. Gotta get something. There we go. Last spin on top. Don't be the last spin on top. Come on, drop something. And we're done on top. Great. Come on, fill that bottom. Come on. There we go. Come on, fill them in. There we go. 3 to get 3. There we go. 3 to get 2. Come on, save it. I didn't save it. Come on.
Yo, you on live?
No, I'm just recording a video, short.
I don't know if you're on Facebook Live.
No. $170, guys. All right, we'll be back.